Hey guys, what's up? My name is Chris Dana. Welcome back to this week's episode on how to draw. So today I'm going to draw something interesting that I usually like to draw every now and then. So it's something that I do like and I actually do have a pet of. So I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon bird. Check it out. So for birds, the easiest way to start out with will always be the beak. So you like to draw the beak. This is how you start off. There's no specifics on what type of bird it is, as long as it's a bird. So after that, I just bring this up. I'm gonna make him smile. There you go, we're getting the bill in. And now, closing the mouth. There you go. If you guys guess what it is, I would be surprised. What type of bird this will be. So now, we're gonna close this up. Close up the bill, or beak. Not a duck. We're not going back to the duck drawing again. I mean, I wouldn't mind. We're just not doing a duck. Now we're just going to draw the nostrils. There we go. So this is how you draw just a simple beak. It's how I draw it, though. Like I said, it's any type of bird. So now we're going to draw the head. Okie doke. Now we're going to bring down the neck. There we go. Now for the eyes. And for the other side. And for the eyebrows. Eyeballs. There we go. And eyebrows are optional. Okay, no worries. You can always color them in. Now we're gonna draw the body itself. So for birds, I usually gonna draw them with feathers. There's this part. Sorry, it's hard to like holding camera 2 and then drawing at the same time. Challenge of mine. Now we're just gonna draw the body. Dope. Now I'm gonna draw the feet. Okie doke. Now for birds, here's different. These things come first. Now we're gonna draw the feet. Now we're gonna draw the feet. And the toes. Now for birds, they have a third toe in the back, or heel, I think. Now for the other side. Now we bring this down a bit. All right. Now for the other feather. Okie doke. There you have it, folks. Oh, the feathers. There we go. Alright, there you go, folks. We got one cartoon bird. Fabulous. Alright, as always, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and support my Patreon page. Alrighty, I'll see you guys next week. Take it easy, folks. And don't forget, don't give up on drawing. Alright, take care, guys. Take care, guys. Bye.